Hi, this is the Galaxy A05S and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to wallpaper and style. Click to change wallpapers and you could select one from the default wallpapers, the photos from the device gallery or downloaded from the internet, or also you could use the online wallpapers. So let's select one from the defaults and select home screen to set wallpaper only to the lock screen. Tap to next. Tap to done on the right upper corner and change apply to lock screen. Let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully changed our wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to the widgets, tap to the wallpaper and style on the left down corner, and by the same way click to change wallpaper, select one from the wallpapers, use on the lock screen and select home screen, tap to done on the right upper corner, and that's it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.